Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a very important one as I'll be discussing the link between autism and interoception. We will also discuss what steps we can take to better understand and support individuals who may be struggling with these issues. I will be focusing on a whole series to start off my YouTube channel, so please subscribe if you want to know more about autism, mental health and neurodiversity. Let's dive in. First of all, let's describe what interoception is. So interoception refers to our ability to perceive and understand our body's internal sensations, such as hunger, thirst, fatigue. It is a central aspect of our overall health and well-being, and for those on the autistic spectrum it can be particularly challenging. Interoception is a hidden sense like touch, taste, smell, sight and hearing. It is a basic definition of emotion. Interoception is our underweighted sense. It helps us identify internal bodily signals, for example, tense muscles, racing heart, hunger, thirst or fullness. It comes from receptors inside our organs. They send signals to our brains to let us know what is going on inside our bodies. During this process, we enter and maintain homeostasis. This is our body's way of maintaining a stable, relaxed and constant internal environment. So next I'm going to say why is interoception important? Making sense of the world around us is a natural habit for most of us. So for someone with autism, interoception difficulties can mean that they are unable to say how they feel, as they cannot interrupt the signals that they are receiving. For example, they may not realize that they are hungry and instead interpret hunger pains as though they are full. For me, I experienced several issues with interoception. One is that I find it difficult to experience internal pain. I don't recognize it and I can tolerate high levels of pain before I say anything. My mum understands this and knows that if I say that I have pain, then it needs medical attention. The next thing then is to try and find out where the pain is, as I often cannot say where the pain is. When I am psychotic, I have psychosis, the signals become even more disordered, and this when I develop something called psychogenic polydipsia, which is when I cannot stop drinking. It is potentially very dangerous, as it means that I can crash sodium levels with serious consequences. The only way this can be stopped at the time is to forcefully restrict my drinking and wait for antipsychotics to kick in and calm my system down. The occupational therapist did suggest giving me ice cubes to chew on, as this would give me sensory feedback. This did help. I have had to ask my mum about these details as I can't remember what was happening when I was psychotic. It has taken a very long time for my mum and I to be officially diagnosed with this issue. We knew it was happening and knew that I had internal sensations and feelings which were different to others, but we didn't know it had a name. I have had polydipsia several times before. It was only in my last visit to hospital in 2021 where it was recognised as part of my autism. Interoception is the sense that allows us to perceive the internal state of our body, such as hunger, thirst or pain. It is the sense that informs us of our psychological needs and helps us make decisions about how to respond to those needs. For example, when we feel hungry, we know that it's time to eat, and when we feel thirsty, we know it's time to drink. For individuals with autism, interoception can be impaired, which can impact their ability to regulate their emotions and behaviour. Studies have found that individuals with autism may have difficulty detecting and interpreting internal bodily signals, which can lead to challenges with self-awareness and emotional regulation. For example, an individual with autism may not realise that they are feeling anxious until it reaches a point where they are experiencing a panic attack. The challenges with interoception in individuals with autism can also impact their ability to engage in activities of daily living, such as eating, sleeping, and personal hygiene. They may struggle to recognise when they are hungry or thirsty, which can lead to problems with eating and hydration. Similarly, they may not realise when they are not tired or need to use the bathroom. I never know when I'm reaching burnout, for example. So not needing to know that they need the bathroom, which can impact their sleep and toileting habits. Understanding the relationship between autism and interoception is crucial for developing efficient therapies and supports for individuals with autism. Interventions that target interoceptive processing, such as mindfulness-based practice and body-based therapies, have shown promising results in improving emotional regulation and self-awareness in individuals with autism. These interventions can help individuals with autism become attuned to their internal bodily signals, which can lead to improved emotional regulation and better overall health and well-being. So to conclude, interoception is a crucial sense that plays a vital role in how we regulate our emotions and respond to our psychological needs. In individuals with autism, challenges with interoception can impact their ability to engage in activities of daily living and regulate their emotions and behaviour. By understanding the relationship between autism and interoception and developing effective interventions, we can support individuals with autism in improving their overall health and well-being. That's a wrap for today's video on the link between autism and interoception. Please like and subscribe to my channel. I hope that you have found this information helpful and informative. If you or someone you know is struggling with interoception issues, please know that you are not alone. There are many resources and available to help, including therapy, support groups and specialised treatment centres. It's important to seek help as soon as possible to avoid any potential long-term negative consequences. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.